Oh! That ain't gonna work. Good afternoon, welcome to another video with a guy and his projects. Today we are doing a quick product review. This is going to be a tool utilized for a lot of you guys. It's a very handy tool. It's something I didn't even know existed until they asked me if I wanted to try one. I'm like, what the heck is this? And I looked it up. I'm like, you know, that could actually be potentially helpful. I got a truck that is too high to reach the roof. I got a minivan that we put a cargo rack on, and now I got a Jeep that will also have a cargo rack on it. So, introducing the doorstep. So, BougeRV or BougeRV is the brand on this. I will link it down below in the description. There is an Amazon link, and yeah, should we try it out? This is a simple product, simple design, and yet super helpful if you have a need for it. Which if you ever put something on your roof, you probably even possibly have a need for it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this box. Boom, it comes in. You got this nice little decal right here. And then we've got the cardboard box that comes in. This is heavy duty. This is actually pretty heavy. And it comes with a storage bag as well. And let's unwrap it and see what we can do. All right, so first thing I notice about this is it does not feel like your standard plastic. This feels like super heavy duty. Hopefully you can hear that. Yeah, I mean, as far as just quality of looks goes and feels goes, it looks pretty nice. I like quality. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, I see how to adjust it. Clearly I haven't really watched any videos. But the way this is gonna work, I'll show you in just a minute. But I just wanna say, first off, first opinions, this is gonna be your step for stepping, putting your foot on so you can reach up into your vehicle on the top. And it's actually pretty solid. It's got these little grooves in here. It's got these little grooves in here that you can use to keep your foot from slipping. If they're wet or muddy, or you just got some stupid ass shoes on like flip-flops, because yeah, I hate flip-flops. They look hideous and disgusting and repulsive. But if you wear them, this is a decent step for it. It's got a little rubber here to protect your vehicle, and then this right here, which will go against your painted surface, is also rubber. So, and it rotates for perfect fitment. So should we try it out? I think we should try it out. Let's try it out. So the point of this thing is for when you put a cargo rack up here and you just can't reach it because it's too high up. Maybe you got a cool car, you got 35s, these are 31s, but maybe you got your Jeep, your car, your truck, your van lifted, or it's just too tall, you're too short, and you got something up there you need to grab, or maybe you need to put a luggage rack up there and pack your crap, get your spare tire down, whatever the case is, that's what this tool is for. And let's show you how to use it right now if I can figure out where the heck to put the camera. So we'll try it on the back door first. All you're gonna do is you're just gonna take that, hook it up, and lay it down. You're gonna want a padded surface flat, and then you're gonna want this flat. You don't want it angled down, you don't want it angled up, because you want your foot to be safe on there. I just magically happened to guess the right spot. But if you did need to adjust it, simply open this, and you can slide it to wherever it needs to be for your vehicle. So like I said, we're gonna go flat, which for me is right there. Just gonna tighten it down. So then you can step up into your Jeep or your car with one foot, and if you need that extra step, well, yeah. Not bad. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put my foot on the floor. Oh, so now we got this. But now you could even do something like 2 feet. I'm leaning against the back door. I can do whatever I want up here, paint it, wash it, clean it. And then if I do need just a little more, whoa, I can step way up here. Now we're way up on top of the Jeep. Not bad. So not only does this work on the back door, it should work on any door where you got a latch, which should be just about every door. Let's test that theory out on the front door. Boop, boop. So same thing, you're gonna reach down, hook it, twist it, boom. It's already actually perfectly aligned from the back door. And And boom. I'm gonna step up, foot on it, and step up. Yeah. So for those of you that have watched me for a while, I'm 220 pounds. This handles me no problemo. So all they asked me to do is try it on front door and back door of one vehicle because I actually think this product is kind of handy. I think we're gonna try it on a couple more. Should we go get the truck? Let's get the truck. Again, we're gonna step up to the top of our tall truck. Boom, boom. Oh, just like so. Oh. Oh, it's got these like metal ridges, so they're not plastic, it's metal. So the only portion that's plastic here is the knob to twist. So say you need less room, say you got a super angle here, boom, boom, you're good to go. And anywhere in between. So unscrew and extend. Okay, so I'm gonna step up, trying to keep out of the way of the camera. 220 pounds solid. Okay, all right, so like I said, boom. This is using the running bars. My head is just chin level with the roof. If I step up to the actual cabin, I'm chest level. I can reach about there, but if I got a ladder rack or any kind of a rack, it's kind of hard to reach up. So then that's when the step comes in. Whoa. Now my belt buckle is level with the top of the truck. So I can get up here, I can wash, I can clean, I can grab my spare tire, my high lift jack, whatever. Super cool. And when you're done, again, just grab, flip up, boop, comes out just like that. Once you have it adjusted, say you leave it in the vehicle all the time, it's just right there, super simple. Same thing, hook in, drop it down. So the only issue is it does get a little angled. It does not have quite enough extension for everything, but I'm still okay standing on that. It's not like I'm gonna die. Just to prove it, let's try not to die. So same thing, step up, step on, and lift off. Oh, and climb up. So you can be this high, or you can be that high. You can reach everything you need to reach up on top. So we can take this another step further as well and use it on the minivan. Say you got a ladder rack up here, you can't reach, going up here, you can kind of reach, but what if you hooked up to here? Ooh, that's way too short. You can hook up to there, and then you can get on the step. Okay, so this I actually don't like. This is way too low. It's way too slanted. It's actually kind of hard to stand on it. So I'll let them know my thoughts on that. But, so actually, nope. For this 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, I would not use this step forward because it is way too short, even on the longest setting. But let's try the front door. Same thing, just hook it in just like all the other vehicles. So that is actually pretty flat, so that is actually helpful. Oh. And now I can stand up here and reach the front side of the basket. I don't know about the back side because that's pretty slanted. As you can see, it's nice and level. Beautiful. So I guess the big question right now is, would I recommend such a thing? Yeah. Am I the kind of guy to have a little gadget for every little thing? No, honestly. So if I had a roof basket and I had a hard time reaching it, I would probably invest in one of those steps. It's reasonably priced, it's nice quality, it's strong. Could use a little bit more extension, but if it fits your application, then you're good. So if I had a roof basket, if I had a spare tire up there, absolutely. Anything heavy on the roof, I would absolutely buy one of those because it just gives you so much more leverage, so much more ability. Instead of trying to reach something from the side, picking it up, you can actually get above it and pick it up, and it would be much nicer. You can see your luggage, you can see whatever you got up there. So quality product, quality price, frequency of use will depend on you, how much you use it. But yeah, I can definitely see the value. So do I recommend? Yes, I do. Buy it if you've got a purpose for it. I'm gonna link it down below. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos, and we'll see you later.